Ipanema Beach in Rio.
Alright, we are up on our section here.
There we go. I think we're all in frame. Austin is getting ready to do some paragliding today.
Let's go! Go, 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 go!
Carson's trying to surf away. This is Lagoa Azul right here.
Come on, people. Let's go.
This is so beautiful. Look at this tiny little beach. So this is our sweet ride today. My dream car. We are in this little Jeep tour today in Parachi. Josia. Ah, see.
These are like made here in Parachi, in the region.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
It's like canned fruit. This is guava.
Some of them are.
It tastes like, it's like honey mixed with something. Headed to our first waterfall.
That was cool.
Sitting outside of the Belmont right here. Look how beautiful this is. See the waterfalls out there. That might be as close as we get to Argentina this year.
This is the Golden Church.
So this is the street where they filmed part of the Michael Jackson music video, People Don't Care About Us. Really, really cool.
There's your macaca.
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 So this is our first stop here in Chapada Diamantina, which is this blue cave right here. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. That watercolor. Gonna go for a swim in this little blue cave. We are in a very dark cave. That's so cool. Here we are. We're doing our first hike here to Kumaka Waterfall.
Coca-Cola River. Big leap.
Made it! It's pretty awesome. We're hiking to a waterfall called Boracau. Woo! Woo! This is where we are hoping to see jaguars in the wild. Carson's been waiting a long time. Look at this sweet ride. Awesome. We just spotted our first jaguar. We finally got to see a jaguar. Oh, look at him, look at him, look, he's moving. The jaguar is up in the tree.
Pretty